First go to File and choose Open. Select this image and hit Open. Now go to Adjustment Layer options and choose the Exposure Adjustment Layer. Here decrease the exposure to -1.5. Increase the gamma correction to 0.85. Now go to File and take a new document. Hit Create. Take a rectangular shape tool and create the window shape like this. Now go to Edit and choose to define brush preset. Here rename it as Shadow and press OK. Go to the main window. Increase the brush size by holding right bracket. Now place the brush like this. We can also apply some feather to this shadow like this. Now I want to change the look. So go to Adjustment Layer and choose Color Lookup. Select your look and apply like this. Now continue the same process on other image.